Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive at the northern reaches of US Highway 11. We're in Franklin County, New York, in the town of Chateauguay, beginning at mile 279. Again, rain is threatening, but it'll mostly hold off throughout this video. All we want to do is get to the end of the highway, and we only have about 40 miles to go. Here we enter the town of Clinton, as well as Clinton County. The county is the northeasternmost in New York, and the last county we'll encounter on Highway 11. Vermont is to our east, and the Canadian province of Quebec is to the north. Clinton County is home to two other U.S. highways. We'll see US 11 intersect with US 9, and also meet US 2 near US 11's northern terminus. That intersection marks the western terminus of US 2. Additionally, Interstate 87 terminates at the Canadian border within Clinton County. The county is named after George Clinton, New York's first governor and a former vice president of the United States. Clinton County had a population of 79,843 as of the 2020 census. The town of Clinton has an estimated population of 651 as of 2023, spread out over an area of 67.1 square miles. Here we see a junction with State Route 189, which makes a short 5-mile trip up to the Canadian border, with the hamlet of Churubusco right in the middle. we enter the town of Ellenburg, which had a population of 1,842 as of the 2020 census. The southern part of Ellenburg is located within the Adirondack Park. The area was first settled around 1800 and was named after Ellen Murray, the daughter of a landowner John R. Murray. During the Cold War, Ellenburg hosted 2 of the 12 Atlas ICBM missile silos that were part of the 556th Strategic Missile Squadron based at Plattsburgh Air Force Base. These silos were operational between 1962 and 1965. In late 2004, Noble Environmental Power proposed a wind farm for the northern part of the town. Although construction was expected to finish by early 2007, delays pushed the start to spring 2008. The project stirred some controversy, as many residents were concerned about the impact on the area's natural beauty. The wind farm, which includes 54 turbines, generates a total output of 81 megawatts. You can spot several of these turbines as we travel through the area. We're now passing through one of 3 hamlets within the town that carry the Ellenburg name. A little later, we'll pass through Ellenburg Depot, and elsewhere in the town is the hamlet of Ellenburg Center. Here, US 11 comes very close to intersecting New York State Route 190, but not quite. A short connector joins the 2 highways together here. East of Ellenburg, State Route 190 is known as Military Turnpike. Here, within the hamlet of Ellenburg Depot, we cross the town line into Altona. The town was named after the Altona-Hamburg district of Germany. Altona had a population of 2,666 as of the 2020 census. Altona's landscape is notable for its mix of forests and farmland, and a portion of the town lies within the Adirondack Park, making it a destination for outdoor activities like hiking and camping. Historically, the town was shaped by agriculture, with farming being the primary industry for much of its early development. Altona Correctional Facility, a state prison, is a notable institution within the town. The town also has some unique geological features, including parts of the Altona Flat Rock, a rare area of exposed bedrock that draws attention from geologists and nature enthusiasts. We wrap up today's video at mile 295. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.